Hello, users of Euler Toolbox. In this video, I show you how to configure an external editor, and I'm using Notepad++. I've written now a short notebook which I've saved on test.en. So the notebook is saved on test using the save command, and that means that the desktop is now the current directory of Euler. You can see that if you change it. So this is the current directory, and the bubblesort.e program, which contains the function bubblesort, is on the desktop. It's that one, and it will automatically be loaded. So the external editor is started with F10, and I've configured it to be Notepad++. It will open the file bubblesort.e, which contains the bubblesort command and a comment. That's why we have bubblesort printed here. Otherwise, it's just a normal bubblesort function. Let's test it. Shuffle 1 to 10, and it works. As you see, Notepad++ uses syntax highlighting. That's because I have taught it this syntax. You go to languages and user-defined language and define an own one. Yep. And I've already done so. And it contains some keywords, and it contains some comments, and it contains some separators and operators. You can do that easily yourself, but you could also import one, and I have one in the installation directory of Euler Toolbox for the next version of Euler Toolbox, and it's called EMT.xml, and you can open that and it will be imported, and then you have a second one. Yeah, that's not good, so let's delete one of them. And we have this. It will automatically be used once you restart the editor. You get the syntax highlighting. The default external editor would be other program settings, set up for external editor. So I have set it up entering the path to Notepad++. But if I can also use the Java editor, you need to have installed an installed version of Java, of course, and that should work. It's not clear because Java is not well kept by Oracle, but I think it should work, and this Java W command should be in the path of Windows. If not, you will have to enter a path here, of course. Let's press OK, and if I now press F10, I'm getting the internal Java editor, which already has syntax highlighting for Euler Toolbox. Well, those are the external editors. Again, you start them with F10 in a line like this. There's also an internal editor which you use. F5, function key 5, for instance, brings up the internal editor for this heading. 4 plus 5 plus 6, 15. And now if you go to that line and press F9, you can edit the multi-line with the internal editor. You can't do that with the external editor. It wouldn't make much sense. Well, so much about configuring the external editor. I strongly recommend using Notepad++. It's a very nice editor. Or you can use my Java editor that I've written for that purpose. And it's automatically installed with Euler Toolbox. But you need to install Java and put Java W into your path or learn where this is installed. Thank you for watching.